how long the key fob battery gonna last, and how do you know when it's the time to replace it? So how long it's gonna last is that based on my experience, 2 good years. So it's gonna last 2 good years, and then the signal gonna start weakening. And how do you know when it's time to replace it? I mean, number one, you can just replace it every 2 years. Put it on your schedule, or do it on your birthday, or whenever the time comes for the sticker for the plate of the bike, right? The other thing is that you can trust your bike, because you can see when the signal weakens itself. You're gonna see the sign. So whenever your key fob is in your pocket, so what happens is that the signal is weak now, and the bike gonna start blinking. It's gonna show you sign of a yellow sign down here that the key is missing or the key is not detected. That way you know that the bike is not detecting it and the signal is blocked while it's in your pocket, and so on and so forth, right? But like when that happens, whenever you grab the key, bring it close to the bike, have it in your hand, it's just fine. But whenever it's in your pocket, the signal is blocked, and you're gonna start noticing that signal on the screen of your bike. So I try to keep it very short. Thank you for watching.